Agents, brokers, and operations teams today are increasingly relying on AI to tackle complex, disconnected operations. Policies, systems, documents, and rules are often siloed, slowing decisions and impacting the overall customer experience. That's where the Xevalue AI Assistant comes in. At its core, the Xevalue AI Assistant orchestrates specialized AI agents that can retrieve, reason, and act. These agents dynamically connect to systems and knowledge sources, bringing together policy data, rating information, and static knowledge sources in real time. Now let's see how AI agents help real agents work smarter through 3 real-world scenarios. Understanding premium changes at renewal isn't always straightforward. Agents often rely on operations or underwriting teams, leading to delays and a poor customer experience. What used to take multiple handoffs now happens in seconds. The agent simply asks, "Why did the premium change at renewal for this policy?" The assistant orchestrates specialized AI agents. A policy agent retrieves current and prior policy versions, including coverage, premiums, discounts, and endorsements. A knowledge agent analyzes product rules and identifies factors driving the change. Together, they compare coverage shifts, detect pricing drivers, and map them to rating logic. The assistant clearly explains what contributed to the premium change, including any external factors. What was once a multi-step investigation is now delivered as a single, explainable response. Even better, the assistant also curates the response in a manner how to explain it to a customer, based on the knowledge documents, with fine-tuned controls over tone, language, and sensitivity. Eligibility issues during new business can be sometimes difficult to diagnose. They require interpreting underwriting rules, reviewing inputs, and tracing triggers. The agent asks, "Why is this policy ineligible, and what should I do to fix it?" The assistant orchestrates policy, system, and underwriting agents. The AI-powered assistant, equipped with self-reasoning capabilities, interprets the intent, evaluates the question, and initiates a multi-step diagnostic process. They identify the root cause and explain it clearly, then provide the next steps to resolve it. As shown in the example, analysis reveals that the ineligibility is due to a response indicating the home is not owner-occupied, an answer that conflicts with underwriting criteria and renders the policy ineligible. What once required multiple expert reviews is now a single diagnostic outcome. A knowledge agent then provides clear, step-by-step guidance on resolving the issue. Trial and error is replaced with a single guided resolution. At times, system rules aren't obvious while processing a request online. Common challenge faced by when performing policy service transactions on administrative systems. This leaves agents unsure of what's blocking the action and increases handling time. What should take seconds often turns into guesswork. Here, the agent asks the assistant for help. "I have 2 drivers on the policy, but I can only assign 1. What am I missing?" A policy agent retrieves the latest policy transaction information from the admin system. Knowledge agent provides the context for the driver addition rules. Leveraging this information, the assistant quickly identifies the issue. Second person is not listed as a resident, which is a required step for the agent to add the second person to the vehicle. These scenarios highlight how what once involved multiple steps, systems, and dependencies can now be resolved in a single interaction through the Xevalue AI assistant. Ready to see what this can do for you? Reach out to us today.